how to search on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. If you don't know how to do search on Twitter, then I'm right here with the solution on how to do it. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have Twitter application, that means X application installed on your device. Now open your X application and ensure that you have your account logged in into it. So in order to search in Twitter, just click on the magnifying glass like icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on it, here in the search bar, you can search for people's, topics or any keywords. For example, I will type Nepali. Once you enter your keyword, here you will see all the information based on your keyword. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can search in Twitter. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next